नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 2nd November 2020. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review its results. In this video, I will review my today's Nifty intraday trade and disclose my intraday plan for Nifty for 3rd of November 2020. I hope that these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading strategy. If you like to know more about my trade setup, then I recommend to check out my video on trade setup, link in description box and at the end of this video. So now let's start understanding what happened in Nifty today. So as planned, our trade plan for today was to buy Nifty on dip somewhere in the range of 11,580 and with the target of 11,750. Although it didn't go for 750, but it did touch 11,716. So trade plan actually worked out. Let's now understand what I did and what happened. So as trade plan, I entered Nifty at 11,580 and I got out of the Nifty somewhere on this red bar where this red bar took off my 20-day moving average and this was my trailing stop loss. So I exited Nifty at 11,611 and with that I had a small profit of 2,500 rupees. So this is how it looks. So Nifty 2,500 rupees, that's the profit which I had. After that Nifty came back and again took a support on daily Camarilla close to 580 zone and moved up to achieve the daily target. Although I didn't enter Nifty second time and miss this rally towards target. So what's the learning for today? So learning for today is that trade management is extremely important and I should deploy my trailing stop loss strategy only in the second half of the day. So fundamentally, if you are entering a trade for a first half, you maintain your initial stop loss. So today my stop loss was when I entered at 580, my stop loss was 520, which is below Camarilla H5. I should have maintained this because this was not touch. Even the day low was not touch. And good trade would have been that I entered first lot here, moved up, it came back, and when it again started moving up, I should have again entered here and then exited at 11,706. So fundamental learning here is that start trailing stop loss only after 12:30 or 1 when Europe market opens up. That's where generally you see the next moment in the market. So that's for today. Now for tomorrow, Nifty still on, if I see daily chart, it opened up, it closed in red. But significant thing which happened today is that it moved about 11,642, which is monthly magic line. So this is 642 was a monthly October month high close. Yeah, October month close 642 and it closed just above that. So I feel that Nifty currently is in range bound situation where it is stuck between the level of 11,530 to 11,750, and this ups and downs will continue till we see some stability in US election and how the things are running there. Also today, the way Reliance has reacted, it genuinely surprised many of us. So Reliance may continue the further downside. So let's see how that plays out. But the good news is that Bank Nifty is looking very strong. So I'm still bullish on Nifty, specifically since it is closed above magic level of 11,642. It is above 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and just below the monthly pivot, which is 11,671, and just below 8-day moving average. So tomorrow the strategy is buy on dip, and levels for tomorrow on Camarilla L3 is 11,623 and L4 is 11,577. So I will look forward to buy Nifty in between 623 and 577. So 623 and 577. So this zone. With target of 11,715 and 11,761, which is this 200-day moving average. If for any reason Nifty is breaking out above this rectangle, that is about 200 moving average of 11,750, there is a very strong resistance here, then there is a positional play comes in place, and trigger is given for a trader to go positional long on Nifty at above 11,770 levels. Yes. So that's the trade plan for tomorrow. Buy on dip in the range of 11,577 and 11,623 with a target of 11,761. If you think that this discussion has added some value to your trade setup or your trading ideas, then do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind. Please do not take any trade. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Thank you.